In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your Windows. So let's get started. First thing that we need to make sure is that the network adapter is not disabled. So for that, press Windows key and R and type ncpa.cpl and cpa.cpl. Click on OK. And here you have to locate your network adapter. Make sure this is not disabled. If this is disabled, make a right click and then select enable. And if it is enabled, select disable. Wait for some time. Then make a right click, select enable. And once done, close this window. And then make a right click at the start button. And here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, we have to simply locate network adapters, expand the list, and here we have to look your network adapter, okay? Make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver which is in the first list and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Close this. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, we have to simply locate again our network adapter, and then we have to make a right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled the driver, you just need to simply close all the windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After restarting your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows and that will fix the issue for you. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.